Japa. I'm here to explain about socialization and meaning and nature. Socialization is a lifelong process through which individuals learn and internationalize their norms, values, behavior, and social skills appropriate to their society. Definition of socialization according to the Green as a process by which the child acquire a cultural content along with selfhood and personality. Nature of socialization. Nature of socialization. Socialization is a social science. It studies social behavior, not individual behavior in isolation. Focuses on group, communities, institutions, and social relationship. Socialization is scientific. Using scientific methods such as observation, survey, interviews, case studies, it is assumed as an socialization as a scientific. Socialization is a continuous process. It is a continuous process which was come from childhood to till childhood to adulthood. Socialization is both theoretical and approval. Developing content theories, socialization solves the problems inequality, case illiteracy. Formative and summative, which was occur in both formative and summative groups, where schools formative socialization is occur where schools and colleges. Informal, which was occurring in family, communities, friends, and their families. Conclusion: socialization is a scientific, systematic, dignity study of society and social science. Its nature as a social science helps us understand human relationship, social institutions, and